Zulu beads banging, Zulu beads banging. There's your fatigue. Shake, I'm on the bumper. There's your fatigue. Oh, now you're bingy. There's your fatigue. Simeon Toko. There's your fatigue. Rastafari, His Majesty, of course. Him Imperial Majesty. Yeah, man. There's your fatigue. Shake it, they go, I'm back. Shake, bitch, yo, what up? Give thanks. Today is Thursday, November 27th, and I'm about to give some serious thanks to Serene Tuba for Kasads. By the way, this one is called Al-Hadi. Now, when you sing a Kasad, they say the best way to benefit from a Kasad is like, or a prayer. I'm going to give you a Kasad is like prayers or poems, like holy, holy prayers that Serene Tuba wrote. And they say that you can benefit from prayers by saying them, singing them, reciting them, or taking some oil like this, and on the scripture or, you know, him, Kasad, you just dab it like that. See, that's the Al-Hadi. I'm a dabbing. Bang. Hit him like going like that. Bow. Hit him like that. Me, I'm nuts. I got, look at that. I got Serene Tuba Kasad's handpicked by Serene Salyu. Now me, I sing them, but it's a lot of Kasads. Check them with the bomb, Serene Tuba wrote on like 7 tons of Kasads. So it's a whole lot of them in it. It's like 1950 of them joints in here. Like it's mad. I just take my little dab and get it in. I dab, look, dab, dab. Because ain't no way in the balls you gonna read 7 tons of prayers in one lifetime. I don't even know how Serene Tuba wrote 7 tons of prayers in one lifetime. Astaghfirullah. Yes, I do know how he wrote 7 tons of prayers for that. But I am not privy to say to you unless you take a bayat. You don't even know. Anyway, back to this. So, but right now I'm not about to dab on them. And I'm going to teach you a little something too. For anybody, all the other persuasions and religions or whatever, if you got like a hymn book, all the Psalms in the Bible, go get you some oil like that, olive oil. Get like a little brush or some oil and just dab it. Like get Psalms 23, dab it. Psalms 91, dab that joints. Psalm 61, dab it. You know what I mean? Just dab it. If you ain't got time to read, you got to have it because you still get the benefit. I'm putting you up on something. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is to give thanks because this video getting long and I want to get out of here. I'm going to sing a real short one from Serene Tuba. Now, it's called the Al-Hadi. Idi Jame, Anazira to Mustake. But you know what? In Senegal, I think the louder you sing this joint and the more off key you are, the more blessings you get. Because they be like, ah! So I'm going to go there for a second. So if I seem like I'm getting a little extreme, do realize that I'm singing to God. Okay? Other than that, click the hell off my page and go do something else. All right? Idi Jame, Anazira to Mustake. Wabishay kulana bilasaking la kakita biyakare buyamujeb yamambahe la zamane kevru ajeb hable wale la tanaka ta alaku biyahudan bihela ke renulaku iyakana buduana sta ido fa inaka mabuduwa mo inu dalatana bika ale la yarake yamamba he yalula hu kuluna ke yatasari to mustaki mahablana hodambe yagbikto de makublana. That's my favorite part right here. Yarabana 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 ya bana ya bana ya ibana ya bana ya bana ya bana ya bana ya bana ya ibana. I like that. Yay! Eske wadelana tawata de da faikat. Yay! Watafina idama an wabaikat. Yay! For banana, for feet my alone. Malika, ibadiwa below de. Wabarikan, finawa the amrana. You bar he big gira ding dorana. Dada jeb street. La nasta jeb, ya kalika, kipore. What you let cigare on the bar? Shakti brafo. Wahabla nazo, you're a tante demo. I'm a loss, ilahaya kademo. Le karate, the dorowa, maseleo. Betewa, just be waiting and silly. I'm sending this one straight out the tuba for the Magal. Give it thanks for the Magal. La 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 la. Dada Jeffrey Serene tuba. La ilaha illallah. Dada Jeffrey Serene tuba.